Hello students. So today we are going to start with the next chapter, that is chapter 5, circle and its elements. Right? What do you mean by circle? Basic idea of circle you know, right? Center, radius, diameter, with all these terms you are aware, right? So now let us move on to the points. We'll study about circles, right? This is the circle. Radius is the point joining the center to any point on the circumference, right? The boundary of the circle is known as the circumference, and the line joining both the circumference and passing through the center is called the diameter, right? So, and diameter divides the circle into two equal circles, equal halves, that is called the semicircle, right? So, there is a property related to the angles in a semicircle. Angles in a semicircle will be 90 degree. How angles in a semicircle? See, this is the diameter. Diameter AB is making an angle. Suppose I name this point O. Diameter AB is making an angle O on the circumference of the semicircle, right? So we can say AOB angle will be 90 degree. This is one of the property we are going to use solving the questions, right? And second is, you need to know what are major arcs and minor arcs. See here, suppose I am talking about this small part is called as arc, and right, major and minor, from the term itself, what will be the major arc? Major arc is an arc of the circle having measure greater than or equal to 180 degree, right? If the angle is having the value greater than 180 degree, it is major angle, right? See here, if I am talking about this arc, major arc, this arc is major arc. Suppose this angle is formed on the circle, right? The smaller this arc is minor arc, and the larger portion is major arc, right? In this, separately minor and major arcs have been shown. This is the minor arc and this is the major arc, right? Minor arc also we'll see. A minor arc is arc smaller than 180 degree, right? Smaller than a semicircle, it is minor arc, and if it is equal to 180 degree, it is major arc. In this we can also see, this is minor arc, right? This we can say it is less than 180 degree, because 180 degree will be a straight line, and this, the green portion, is the major arc, right? This also you need to know, minor arc and major arc, because the first exercise is based on this only this concept, arcs, minor arcs and major arcs. Let us deal with some points here. In a circle, the angles formed by the arc on the remaining segment of the circle are equal, right? When we are talking about the circle, angles formed on any of the arcs, when we will be solving this exercise, I'll explain the points again, right? Segment on the equal, when we are talking about the angles formed on any of the segments of the circle, they will be equal, and sum of the angles on the segments of the circle, both the sides of the chord. Segments is when a line is divided, when the circle is divided by the chord, the two parts in which it is divided is called the segment, right? So the angles, sum of angles on the segment of the circle of the both sides chord will be 180 degree, sum will be 180 degree, okay? And the angle formed by the remaining circle will be the half of this. We'll clear it in the next exercise, next video, when we are solving, right? in a circle arcs of equal lengths. After this notes we will cover on the next video when we will be starting that exercise. So now we shall start with the first exercise, exercise 5.1. right, let us see exercise 5.1. this is the diagram, right? What is first arc? Identify the arc ABC. See, this ABC is which arc? In this diagram is a little wrong. The diagram is a little wrong in your book, right? This AD is like this. This point is C. Right? Now ABC is the major arc, right? And BCD is the minor arc. We can say ACB is covering the major portion, so it is major arc. This also it is minor arc. Name the minor angles formed by minor arc AB. Now AB minor arc है, उससे आपके कौन से एंगल्स फॉर्म हो रहे हैं? ए सी बी एंड ए डी बी, राइट? हाउ आर वी कैलकुलेटिंग? ए बी arc is ending with point A and B. So from A and B, what are the two angles we have made, or what are the two angles that are possible? This angle and this angle, that only we have written. You are not going to write it like this. In the next slide I have mentioned how you are going to write, okay? On which arc is angle ACB formed? Now ACB, what is the angle ACB? ACB, which arc it is formed? On the minor arc AB, right? This, see, this is ending up at B and A, and the arc joining AB is minor, so minor arc AB. Similarly CBA is formed in ABC, right? See here, first identify the arc, major arc, minor arc. Like this you are going to write in your copies, right? With the minor arc, if it is found by the minor arc or it is found with the major arc. Moving on to the next 5.2. in this you need to find the values of the angles. See, if this is 45 degree, angle A will also be 45 degree. Why? Because if we are talking about this arc, right, this angle is on the same side, so angles in the same side, same arc of the circles are equal, they are on the same arc, so they will it is equal to 45 degree, right? Next we'll see, now again this is on the same side of the arc, same arc, so they will also be equal. Again it is on the same arc, right? They will also be equal. This is one arc. How am I saying they are in the same arc? See, for this question only this is one arc, this is another arc, this is the major arc, this is minor arc. P and 40 degree both are in major arc, so P will also be 40 degree, right? Now similarly, see here, M and N, this is 72 degree, so this will also be 72 degree, right? And similarly, see, this is one arc and this is another arc. M and 72 are in the same arc, and N and, right, so M will also be 72. Now when we are seeing for N, this is one arc, this is another arc, 72 and N are in the same arc, sorry 50, 7 and N are on the same arc, so this will also be 57 degree. Similarly, this also same arc, right? So like this you are going to write, and you are going to write the reason everywhere, here also, and here also, that angles in the same arc of the circles are equal, right? So these two exercise we have finished. Now we'll be moving on to the next exercise in the next video. Okay, you'll write this chapter in your maths copy itself. First, major arc, minor arc, whatever topics I have covered, you're going to write it in your copies, you're going to mention it in your copies, draw the diagrams of the circle which is given in your book, and then start with the exercise. Draw the diagrams neatly using your rounder, scale and pencil. Okay, so till 5.2 you will complete your copies. Next video will be starting exercise 5.3.